Hey YouTube, Airsoft101 here. So I was outside working on my car, heard a chart come up, and it turned out to be my Newegg package. So here it is, the new from Azio, the Levetron Mech4. So this the keyboard inner box came in this external box. So let's take a quick look at it. Here it has mechanical keys. Obviously, it comes with the cherry black keys, which are about the midline for actuation force necessary to get them to be read. It's got a modular design, which is the these on the side. It allows you to put the numpad on right or left side, so it's semi-modular. Anti-ghosting, which is a great feature to have. Here's a look at the keyboard before we get it open. Nothing on that side. Some stuff on the back. Let's look at that. All right. Since this is very new, it's just driver version 1.1. It just came out a couple days ago. There were no reviews on it on Newegg at all. I'm pretty sure I was one of the first people to actually buy it, so hopefully this is one of the first unboxing / first looks out there. Here has the Windows key on/off feature, which is really helpful if you're in playing Counter-Strike, StarCraft, or whatever. You don't want to accidentally hit that; that'll mess you up. It's got the A/B macro button, which will switch these to the other macro stuff that you have. So if you're gonna go over from Counter-Strike to whatever, Warcraft or something, I don't know, then you can click that, change your hotkeys. Here we have the macro keyboard here. It's modular also, so it can slide across this Weaver style rail, kind of like ones that are on rifles and things like that. Here's the volume knob, just volume knob, turn that. There's two low power USB ports back there. Here's the numpad, which is also mechanical, and then, as I said earlier, you can put it on either side. All this other stuff basically is just standard. So let's look at the keyboard itself. So it was in that box originally, and then in this sleek black box. There's nothing else on it. So let's open it up and see what it looks like. I opened it up a couple minutes ago actually, and just took the plastic off. I didn't do anything with it, just so it would be easier for me to show you guys on camera now. So here we go. Let's put this aside just for a moment, and we'll look at the other things that come with it. So here is the driver CD. You should probably not use that. Just download the latest from the website. Quick start guide if you don't know how to plug in a keyboard. Hopefully, if you're watching this video, you know how. Here is the macro keyboard thingy that I was talking about earlier. So this, like I said, plugs to the USB, low power USBs on the top, and then you can slide it across here like that. It actually is really cool. It has a stand right here, so you can put it at whatever height you want above the function keys. And then these can obviously be programmed to do whatever you want. If you're programming or something, it can be some type of code or whatever you want to do. Here's a here is for the numpad. It's an extension USB cable. If you want to actually not put the numpad on the sides of the keyboard, if you want to put it, like over here or something, if you're, I don't know, if you need to do some work later on with it. Here's the numpad itself. It's also got very nice stands on the back here. 3 different levels, down, up, and then very high up. And these keys are also mechanical. I'll show you what they sound like in a minute. So let's just slide this onto the side real quick. Hopefully this won't be too hard with one hand. I'll show you guys kind of. That's really hard to do with just one hand here. So here is the keyboard itself. Let's get a good look at it. You can see the function keys on the, the macro keys on the left side. The other modular port, the numpad, escape, standard key layout really. There's nothing weird about it except for one thing, which I guess is an issue, but I'm okay with it. The enter key is elongated here, which of course makes the backspace key smaller, which a lot of people don't like. They prefer it to be that long, and then they like to have the line key over here, especially if you're going to do some sort of programming or something. You want to be able to, if you're in Java, you want to be able to write OR. So alright, so that's a basic overview of it. Now let me show you what it sounds like. 2 hands. And here are the function keys. Sound the same. They're all using the cherry black key switches. Mechanical numpad also. Every key here is mechanical. The only thing that isn't mechanical is the little macro function key thing over there, but that doesn't really matter. So here's some more sound testing, just so you guys can get an idea of what it sounds like. Do it from a little farther away. Alright, well, I guess that basically covers the first looks of this keyboard. I will do a full review on it soon, so thank you for watching the unboxing and first looks of the Levetron Mech4 from Azio. And yeah, if you have any questions, comments, anything like that, just send it to me. So thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe, and see you guys later.